Welcome to Atlas QA. In this course, you will learn how to build a complete professional-grade testing framework from scratch using Robot Framework, the page object model, and absolutely no coding. A framework you can proudly use in real projects, your career, and job interviews. Hi, I'm Rita. I'm a senior software QA engineer and test architect with extensive experience building scalable test architectures across web, API, cloud, IoT, and embedded systems. My focus has always been on creating clean, maintainable, and efficient testing solutions that help teams deliver high-quality products. In this course, I'm going to show you how to build a clean and scalable testing framework for web applications using only Robot Framework, with no coding required. Let's get started. In this course, I'm focusing on everyone who wants to build real automation skills without writing code. If you're a manual tester wanting to move into automation, this course is perfect for you because we use Robot Framework in a clean, simple way that anyone can follow. It's also designed for QA engineers who already know the basics of Robot Framework but want to create a professional, scalable testing framework like the ones used in real companies. If you're a developer or SDD looking for a fast and maintainable UI testing setup, you'll also find value here. And finally, this course is great for students, career switchers, or anyone who wants to automate web testing without learning a programming language. So no matter your background, if you want a clean, scalable, and no-code approach to web automation, this course is made for you. In this course, we're going to build a complete and clean testing framework from scratch using the page object model, fully in Robot Framework and without writing any code. We will begin by creating the full project file structure. You'll learn how to organize your tests, your page files, your locators, your keywords, and your resources in a way that keeps the framework scalable and easy to maintain. Once the structure is ready, we will implement the page object model. Every page or feature of the application will have its own robot file, its own locators, and its own keywords. This keeps your framework modular, readable, and extremely easy to update when the application changes. For each page object, we will build reusable keywords that represent real user actions, things like clicking buttons, filling forms, navigating pages, and validating elements. These keywords will be used in your tests to make them clean, simple, and high level. And the best part, we'll do everything using only Robot Framework. No Python, no custom libraries, just clean architecture and powerful keyword-driven design. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid page object model framework that you can reuse in any web automation project. Thanks for watching with Atlas QA. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to answer.